You won't believe this dip uses just one spicy trick to taste like McDonald's hot mustard sauce, and fries disappear in seconds. 3 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon corn syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Add all ingredients in a bowl. Whisk everything slowly for 20 seconds until the sauce turns smooth, glossy, and slightly orange. Next, taste it carefully, because this is where the fast food flavor hits hard. Want it sweeter? Add 1 more teaspoon honey. Want more heat? Add another pinch of cayenne. Now refrigerate the sauce for 10 minutes so the flavors become stronger and sharper. This tiny step changes everything. Would you try this sauce on nuggets, burgers, or fries first?